Hello friends, in today's video we are going to write these sentences using these words. Let's start. Number 1, beautiful. Jaipur is a beautiful city. Number 2, Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Number 3, flower. Rose is my favorite flower. Number 4, school. I go to school every day. Number 5, class. I read in class 10. Number 6, pen. I write with my pen. Number 7, class. I read in class 2. Number 8, morning. We eat breakfast in the morning. Number 9, black. I have a black dress. Number 10, mother. I love my mother. So thank you friends. These are 10 words. We make sentences from these important words. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.